watching me on Innovative Kids channel. So today I am going to make Ragi porridge. So let's get started. To make the Ragi porridge, we need some Ragi, some palm sugar and cardamom powder. First take the Ragi and wash 5 to 6 times and soak overnight. Take a blender and add the soaked Ragi. Blend it well. You can add the water to extract the full milk. This is the first extracted Ragi milk. After 3 times of extractions, this much amount of Ragi milk. See how thick it is. Now we will switch on the stove. Stir it in a low flame. Keep on stirring without leaving, or else lumps will form. Now add the palm sugar and stir it well. So now it is becoming thick. See how it is thick. Now add the cardamom powder and stir it well. Now our healthy and delicious Ragi porridge is ready. Ah.